Hello everyone. So I have just landed at MSP. I flew here so I can see, I came to visit the new DG Pilot store. So we're gonna go check it out. We might buy a plane too.
Yeah, no problem. Sorry about that.
So we're here. You can get, they have some models, not a lot, they only have 3 now, but they're telling me that usually they have more. But you can find bags, it's more travel accessories, but they have books, tails, mugs, books, a little bit of everything, but nice little store. If you're by, come and check it out.